Gaturu gacira wa gutetia moimirira ma githurano kia gituro gia president ni kiuria gia kana muhotani ni amukirira makiria ma nuthu ya kura iria ciikirio toria watho ugite na aria othe maratetia moimirira toria manirirwo ni muikariri giti wa commission ya ithurano na mihaka wa Wafula Chebukati manyitirire ati president muthure William Ruto ni akuhiririe mukururo uyu no ndauhutirie.
What exactly was the voters turnout, so that the voters turnout then can assist us in the computation of the sum of 50 plus 1%.
We cannot now even focus on the numbers. We should not even. Because the process through which those numbers are being arrived at has been compromised. So that anybody inviting you even to look at the number is inviting you down an alley. A process in which the wish of the people has been convoluted.
And on that basis, my lords, we urge that you nullify the elections on the basis of the fact that the second respondent did not attain more than 50% plus one of the votes cast in the election.
Aria maratetia maumirira maya manyitirire ati mathabu ma githurano mathatire kuma kiambiriria register ya aikia a kura githondekwo. Wira uria utemanite igoti-ini ugite ati uthurimi wa register ino uria wekirwo ni kambuni ya KPMG wonanite ati andu makiria ma 480 matiagiriire gukorwo register-ini, makiria ma 600 mari register-ini matari na ibande na 14 mari na uhoti wa gucenjia register ino.
The start of an election process is the voter register. It must be a very clean document. In this case, they started the race with a register by their own audit as at the 16th of June. The register that was gazetted on the 20th of June, that register had compromised ab initio, and the number by which it is compromised could affect and did affect the results.
Iguru ria uguo watho ugite ati register ino yagirire kurekererio kuri muingi thiku 90 mbere ya githurano kinene undu uria utahanikire. Kuhitukira wakiri ake Raila Odinga anyitiriire ati waganu munene waumanire na uthugi wa fomu ya 34C iria muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati ahuthirire kwanirira muhotani. Odinga aroiga ati kwari na fomu igiri muthemba uyu mugaro na watho uria ugite ati form 34C yagirire gukorwo iri imwe na handu ha kuihurio moimirira ma muthia thutha wa ceceni ciothe makiria ma 46 guturanirio yaihuririo mbere ya maumirira mothe manirirwo na fomu icio ingi ciathogirwo niguo cihingie ithabu riri.
There was overwhelming evidence of back tallying of presidential results. This means that a Form 34C was being generated with a result, a desired result, and thereafter what seems to happen is a process of going backwards to change Form 34B and 34A to give the result that was desired. This happens continuously, and it is illustrated very well in the evidence of Mr. Njoroge.
When you add the figures attributed to the individual candidates on Form 34C, they come to 14,213,027. That is not an innocent mistake. It is a situation whereby somebody has left a trail, that they were working backwards from a certain figure which they had, and they were working backwards, and so they would going to get that. And most important, I would also refer to the affidavit signed by the chairman, filed by the chairman in petition number 5. That these figures, which form the content of Form 34C, are cooked. You cannot have both of them in the same document. And this court should not allow that document to stand at all.
Atetia a maumirira maya no manyitirire ati kwari no thogi munene wa mathabu na njira ya kuongerera William Ruto kura cia Raila Odinga, gutunya Odinga kura, guikia rurenda-ini fomu citatoranaga na iria cianeanirwo kuri agents a ciama na ngwataniro itiganite, na muthia-ini maundu maya maturanirwo hamwe ni maumire Odinga kura cire kiene cingiamuhotithirie kuhotana.
And if we cannot be shown how the commission as a commission reached a decision or reached the decision that was pronounced by its chair on the 15th of August, then I implore this court to use the same reasoning and tell the chairman in the same voice that it has told the national executive that your power to declare does not give you any power to decide on what you declare.
My ladies and my lords, would also urge the court to note that at this election, the IEBC had provided a clerk whose sole duty at the polling station was to ensure that voters placed their ballot papers in the right box. And therefore, the incidence of such a high number of stray or allegedly stray ballot papers cannot be explained and has not been explained.
Riu Odinga renda igoti riteanirie notithi iria yacabithirio ngathĩti-inĩ ya thirikari iria yanĩrĩire William Ruto ta president muthure rithũrime mathabu na rĩanĩrĩre mũhotani wa ma wa gĩthurano gĩa president rĩeherie Wafula Chebukati ũtongoria-inĩ wa commission ya gĩthurano na rĩanĩrĩre Wafula Chebukati atĩ ndagĩrĩire kũnyitĩrĩra ofici ya mũingĩ na rĩtambũrũkĩrie iherithia rĩrĩ kũrĩ ũrĩa wothe wagunĩkire na ciĩko cia Wafula Chebukati. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.